everyone, it's Cathy Zielske. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I've got something a little different for you. I am going to review the Phomemo thermal printer. This is a new product to me, and the folks at Phomemo were kind enough to send this to me, and I've been checking it out over the last few days, and I want to share with you some of my thoughts and let you know a little bit about this tiny ink-free printer. This printer, as I said, is a thermal printer. It does not use ink. It uses some sort of photoreactive printer paper. And the printer paper is actually sticker paper. So everything that you print becomes a sticker. There is white paper that I will be using today, and there is also clear label paper. And that's kind of cool because you can label things with this printer. So I'm going to set the paper aside and go ahead and open the box. The first thing you'll see is the Phomemo instruction manual, the user manual. And I will tell you, this does not have a very steep learning curve. It's pretty easy to set up and get running with. All you need is a Bluetooth connection to either your Android or iOS phone, and that's all you need. It comes with a USB charging cable, and I plugged this into one of my Apple Power Bricks and the printer itself. Now I decided to go with white because I just think white's really cute, but it also comes in a baby blue, in a pink, in black, and even a piano key pattern. So that's pretty cool. Lots of choices, but I just think the white is really clean. And you can see by the size of my hand, and I do not have gigantor hands, it's a pretty small little thing. Power goes in there. You charge it up until the green light stops blinking. Now when you hold down the power, it will turn on. Now it's red right now because I do not have the paper loaded correctly, but if it's loaded correctly and it's charged up, it'll go to green. All right, let's get it open. Now I will tell you, when I first opened it up, I had to reconfigure my paper a little bit. I went ahead and installed it and had it incorrect. The correct way to do this with these little holders is to make sure that your paper that prints is facing up, just like this in the printer. Otherwise, it's not going to have that thermal reaction. And once you pull that right to there, you're just going to close it up, and then you are ready to rock and roll. Now, when you hold your finger down on the power, it will light up green, just like that. So let's take a look at the app. You'll need to go ahead and download the app from the App Store. This app is available for both Android and iOS, and it's got a very simple interface, so let's just poke around a little and get started with notes. I'm going to make a simple label. I'll go ahead and just start typing in the info for my label. Once I've got the content typed in, I'm going to hit the text tool. I'm going to go to the A because that's going to let me alter the size, and I'm just going to push it up to 40. I don't want it to break to the next line, but you can kind of see how you can make it bigger or smaller. I want it to be about right there. I'm going to tap on the alignment icon, and I'm going to center this. And now I'm going to print. So when I tap here on the printer, you'll see that it'll say this content right here. You just tap on it, and just like that, you are connected. And now I can go ahead and hit print again, and we'll get these options, and all I have to do is click on done, and out comes the piece. Sent it, and this is what the result is. So it looks pretty good. Let's take a look at one of the cute templates. If you tap on templates, you're going to get a few options. You've got fun, you've got to-do lists, frames, and even tiny schedules. How cute are these? I'm not going to print all of them. I'm just going to show you how cute this to-do list is. So I'm going to grab the first little template here. Cute little guy, and you can just type in your content that you want on your list, and it will automatically fill it in. So let's go design, stamps, and my typing is terrible, and dies, insert, so just like that. And now when I go to print, again, tap the print icon, make sure I'm connected. I had to reconnect because I had gotten out of the app briefly. And when I go to print, tap that button. Again, I will get my choice here. I just want one. I'm going to tap done. And now you'll see this one come out. Just like that. Comes right out of the printer. Then I'll go ahead and tear it. Well, get a handle on it there. And how cute is that to-do list? Let's move on to picking an image. Now, I'm going to pull up something that I designed. This is a set designed for planners and trackers, and this is just a little 31-day bubble tracker. And you could print this out, add a label to it of some kind, and stick it in your planner to track things. And then again, hit done. And when you do that, it goes to the little printer, and out it comes, a baby bubble tracker that you can stick right into your bullet journal or planner or use any way you like. I also downloaded a little free quote, that I had, and I thought this would be really cute to have in as well. So anything that you can have as a JPEG and transfer to your phone, you can conceivably print from this app. So I think this is going to make the cutest little sticker ever. And again, gonna tap this, go ahead and hit done, and send it to print. The thing that's kind of cool about this is that it also has a scan function that lets you take a photo of anything you like and then also proceed to send it right to print. This is just a JPEG that I added to my phone. And then I also decided just to print out my logo, another JPEG. The last thing I want to show you is printing photos. And this is kind of cool because even though the quality isn't like, 300 resolution, I'm going to take this picture of my daughter, say done, and I'm going to go ahead and print this. The result is kind of cool. So you want to take a well-lit photo, and when I go ahead and print this, you'll kind of see the cool effect. It's more of like a dot pattern, but I think this is really fun. I mean, look at that. That's pretty cool. And you could drop that, seal up an envelope with that or put it in your bullet journal. Again, I think there are so many ways that you could use this printer. Now, I have a planner, Get to Workbook. This isn't really an archival planner. I don't save these year in and year out. For example, there's my to-do today. But you can incorporate all of these things into whatever planner system you use. So I decided just to fussy cut really quickly around my little to-do list. I'm not a very good fussy cutter, but that doesn't matter because the cuteness is still there. And again, because it's a sticker, peel off the backing and then just place it right into my planner. And I know people do a lot more with planners than I do. Mine is just super utilitarian it never leaves my office. But I can take my quote and place that in for the following week to be inspired. I can add my bubble tracker and pick a topic that I'm going to track, and then I can stamp away. I actually have a set that I created for Simon Says Stamp that is all about tracking and bubble trackers and journals, and it comes with a little stamp so I can track things, and then every day that I do something, I can stamp and fill in a bubble. So I think there's a lot of ways that people who are way into planners and doing funky things are going to find some love for this little printer. I mean, look at my little logo. I can seal up an envelope with that and it would look fantastic. Again, I don't even feel like I scratched the surface of all that happens within the app itself. This is just a cute little product. It's easy to charge up. It's easy to take with you. If you are interested in it, all the information will be listed below this video so you can learn more about Phomemo. And I wanted to thank Phomemo again for sending this to me because now I have to hide it from my daughter. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you back here with another video soon.